There's two different forces, so there's a repulsive force and an attractive force. When you give the robot a destination, that's the attractive force. The repulsive force is every obstacle in the way. So I always had a really high GPA. I was always good at math and always good at science, but I did not know what I wanted to do after high school. I thought I was going to go to culinary school. It goes towards the attractive force, but it veers away from the repulsive force, and it creates a vector in between. I think people would be intimidated by robots because there's a lot of hardware that can be damaged and it's expensive.
It's the Amigo.
Look at it, admire it.
It's
yeah,
Amigo.
it's a robot. There's a lot of work that we put into the robots, and they don't kind of want to ruin it. For me, I was intimidated because I know you have to program a robot, and programming for me was intimidating. I learned MATLAB. I didn't know anything about MATLAB. I didn't even know anything about a GUI. I didn't know what a GUI was, so I learned all of that this summer in 5 weeks. MATLAB is a programming language that is mostly focused on intense math, and that's what it was originally designed for, but what we're using it for is to program robots. A little bit more about the potential field. Our mentor wrote that program.
So here's the potential field, or the part of the potential field program right here. I recall when I was a student going to college, how I would have loved to have had an opportunity like this to work in a lab, work with some engineers. Each sonar, right, all 16 sonars, each sonar is located at some point out within this coordinate system, and that's what these points are right here. I expected the students to work hard and to not be daunted by the challenge that I was going to present them with, and I feel that Jessica, as well as her two colleagues, exceeded that. They weren't daunted at all.
After taking physics, electricity, and magnetism, I knew definitely this is what I wanted to do, but I had no idea what field. I knew a little bit about robotics, but not too much. I wanted to learn a lot more. And with this internship, I got to work hands-on with the robots and decided, yeah, this is really what I want to do.